Yo, what's up guys, Moon Dice here. I'll show you how I make money online with video editing. By the way, you can make money with any skills that you have, maybe programming, graphic design, any skills that you have, you can benefit people with it and you will get paid. It's that easy and simple. It's not make $1 million in the next 5 seconds or something. So like this is a real world making money video, okay? It's hard, it's tough, it takes time, takes work. You need to be patient and strong to make money. By the way, like anyone can make money online, and although it's not easy, but like you have hands, right? Like you have hands, you can you can help people, okay? But like it takes work and effort, okay? So let's get into it. I make money mainly with Gmail actually. And the way I make money, first of all, I did actually make money with Upwork. It's a single client. Like I get paid for every video $15. The video usually takes me 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, it's low, but like my skills were low, but now my skills are growing. And like before, I did not take the video editing seriously or make it a career or something, but like now I started like week ago trying to make the video editing a career to me. Like I'm aiming to get like at least a $1,500 a month, which is like okay. I earned from video editing, I earned about like $800. However, as I said, it was like casual video editing. I did not put much time and work, but like now, as I said, like week ago I started to take it seriously. And yeah, so as you can see, I message people, okay, YouTubers mainly, and like you can edit videos for anyway, but like I usually edit videos for YouTubers. So like, hey Zach, can you pay me now? I edit him for videos and I got $60. Actually, like I work with this person since 2018 and he paid me probably like $500. So the way I message people is like, let's search affiliate marketing and let's put the date today. So I'll go to his channel and okay, so he have 14,000 subscribers. It's very perfect to me. So I go to about, and as you can see, and now I have his email. So I'll send him an email asking him if he wants a video editor or not. So I just type like video editor. I have like I made a resume or something. So I just put it here, and yeah, as you can see, 5 years of video editing experience, worked with very different kinds of content, gaming, educational, financial vlogs, and so on. I'm not even sure if like my grammar is right, but it is what it is. So I sent him like this email, and most of them don't even respond. But like the people who respond, you get money, okay? So actually, I already sent him an email because I recorded this video twice and I made a mistake, so I'm remaking the video. So I will not send him the email because I already sent him an email. But yeah, like it's like this. Like you can make money with Upwork, and actually, like this week, as you can see, I sent over 25 proposals. However, it says 18 because some of the proposals were closed, and yeah, and now 18 still active. So yeah, I sent a lot of proposals and no one even sent me a message. So it's pretty frustrating. However, like this is the first week that I'm taking it seriously, and you will face problems. Like take this for example. I sent proposals for over 25 people and no one even said anything. As you can see, it's literally 4 days ago. It's pretty frustrating, but like this is the real world. You will face a lot of problems. You need to be patient, you need to be strong. It's not necessarily to be a video editor. You can do anything that can help people. As I said, graphic design, maybe programming, SEO or something. And so as you can see, I did even make a gig, as they name it in Fiverr. So this is it, this is the gig. And but like for some reason my video is still under review, which driving me crazy. It's been like 3 days and my video is still under review. I'm not quite sure what happened. I will update you after like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and like I will change my resume. I will do everything to get more customers, and the knowledge that I will have, I will share it with you. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. Yeah, this pretty much this is it. If you want to start freelancing, check Upwork, Fiverr, and the method that I taught you. So yeah, this is it, guys, and goodbye.